Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your T-Mobile subscription, full guide step by step clearly. Start by preparing your account information. Locate your T-Mobile account number or phone number. Ensure you have a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license. Visit the T-Mobile website or open the T-Mobile app on your device. Sign in to your T-Mobile account using your credentials. Navigate to the customer support section. Look for the option to chat with a representative. Alternatively, you can call T-Mobile's customer service at 1-877-746-0909. Once connected, inform the representative that you wish to cancel your subscription. Be ready to provide your account information for verification. The representative may ask for your reason for canceling. Consider discussing potential alternatives or plan adjustments. If you still wish to proceed, request the cancellation of your subscription. Ask for confirmation of your cancellation request. Take note of any cancellation confirmation number or email. Check if there are any final charges on your account. Confirm the date your service will be officially ended. Keep an eye out for a final bill to settle any outstanding charges. If you have a device on an installment plan, discuss potential options for returning the device. Follow any additional instructions the representative provides. Once that's complete, you can log out of your T-Mobile account. Make sure to keep records of your cancellation for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.